Hi guys. After owning the Mavic Pro for about a year now, there are a few things that I do like and there's a few things I don't really like about the drone. So here are the few things that I do like about the drone. Number one, portability. I just love the fact that the drone is so small and so easy to bring around everywhere. Because of its size, it makes me feel really, it really makes me feel not lazy to bring it around. So I would say the number one factor why I bought this drone is definitely the portability. Number two, well, I guess number two would definitely have to be the battery life. The battery life of this drone is really quite surprising in terms of something its size. It lasts almost a good half an hour. So I would say the battery life is one of the other reasons why I like this drone. Number three, I just love the fact that this drone is so quiet. So the good thing about having a drone that is really quiet is the fact that whenever you're up in the air, you really don't want to attract a lot of attention, because if you get more attention, there's a big likeliness that you're not probably going to get the shots that you want, because somebody will probably come over and say, hey, no, you can't drone here and stuff like that. So I would highly recommend, okay. Number three would definitely have to be the quietness. I find this drone is so stealthy and you get away with so many things with this drone because a lot of people don't realize that it's up in the air. The last thing that you really want while you're droning is a drone that is really loud and it will attract a lot of attention. Because you have to bear in mind that when you're flying a drone and if you get a lot of attention, the likeliness of you being able to have a successful flight is going to be a lot more reduced. So that's one of the reasons I do like this drone as well. Now, let's go straight into the cons. What I don't like about this drone. What I don't like about this drone, I really honestly wish that the image quality was just a tad bit better. I'm not complaining about the image as such in terms of being really horrible. It's not. I mean, if you get it in its sweet spot, it really is a good drone for the image quality, but I do notice when the lighting or the conditions are not that right in terms of brightness and stuff like that, you really are going to have a compromised picture. I mean, you're going to have a compromised video as well. It's going to get all mushy and things don't really come out that well. So yeah, that's one of the things I don't really like about this drone. The other thing I don't really like about the drone is the camera. It's only a 12 megapixel camera. I really wish that they would have put a 20 megapixel camera. I mean, it really would make so much difference if it was just a 20 megapixels camera. So DJI, please give us a 20 megapixel camera in the Mavic Pro 2, please. Number three. I guess number three would be, although I did not complain that much about the battery life, but I do have a small complaint, and that is the fact that the battery is not as long as advertised. So they had advertised it to be about 27 minutes of flight, but I never get that much. So DJI, please make it last as long as they said it would. Even under optimum conditions, I've flown it. I've never ever come really close to the 27 minutes advertised, so yeah, I guess they really have to work on that. And that's basically it. That's my that's basically it. I mean, that's a few things I do like about the Mavic Pro and some of the things I don't like about the Mavic Pro. So if you did find this video useful and helpful, do give us a like and do subscribe to our channel, and we'll probably bring out more videos like this. See you guys. Thanks a lot.